Okay, my girlfriend hates anything meat, so she loves salad. I don't, but today I'm gonna make something special for her. It's Caesar salad from the original recipe from Tijuana in 1925, created by Mr. Cesar himself. So here are the ingredients. This is all you need. You have the anchovies, garlic paste, mustard, this will be Dijon mustard, oyster sauce, egg yolk, black pepper, lime, good olive oil, parmesan, romaine lettuce. In this case, we're using baby romaine lettuce, and croutons. A mixing bowl with some spoon. First thing we're gonna do is put the anchovies in. And then the garlic in. Make sure that the garlic is crushed into like a paste. Otherwise, you're gonna see a lot of pebbles of garlic, which is not really nice. You wanna have a nice pasty consistency. Here's the mustard. Okay. Oyster sauce. Then you mix. I can smell the aroma already. Make sure it turns into like a paste. Okay, now we add the egg yolk. For the egg yolk, I'm using this contraption here. Cracks the egg yolk, cracks the egg. You just take it off. I need a bowl. There you go. Put that in there. Mix it up. Add some black pepper. Lots of it if you like. I like it a lot. This is called a Turkish pepper grinder, and I think it's the best. Okay, add some lime. Mix, mix, mix. Then add the olive oil. prime virgin olive oil. What you need to do actually, you need to pour a little bit while you mix, like this. You need to mix. You need to mix. Did I say prime virgin olive oil? I meant extra virgin olive oil. Prime virgin is for plastic. That's enough olive oil. Okay, now we put some Parmesan. Not too much. Maybe a handful like this. Maybe a little bit more. Up to you. Mix it all up. Make sure they all become one. Okay, that's what you want. Something like this. Okay. And now it's time to put the lettuce into the mix. Make sure your lettuce is washed, clean, and dried. Okay. And I have a little tip. I keep the lettuce in the refrigerator until I need it at the last minute to keep it cold and crunchy. And you just mix. Be careful not to crush them, because you want to serve this perfect. Make sure they're all well coated. Be gentle. Toss the salad. Toss the salad. Do you know what that means, honey? Toss salad?
No.
I'll
You
tell
have to put it on the toaster?
No, I'll tell you later. Toss, not toast. Toss.
Or like when you cheers?
No. It's something else.
Something naughty, yeah? You don't want to say on the camera.
Yeah. Alright, I think that's good. So now we move to the plate. We plate it. And I like to stop right there and throw in some Parmesan to the nooks and crannies. I like to be fair with my Parmesan. Just because you're a bottom leaf doesn't mean you're not gonna get any. Then you top it more. Oops. Wait. Then more Parmesan. Croutons. there you have it. Caesar salad a la Tijuana, the original recipe.